structure across the lateral side, wavy synthetic layering, and a low top height are all characteristics of the Dwyane Wade DLO1. A picture by D'Angelo's son served as the inspiration for this first canvas colorway, which features vibrant drawings on the base, midsole, and outsole. The heel features a red pull button that reads family along with Russell's trademark Dwyane Wade insignia. The DLO1 has been really amazing to witness, and D'Angelo's journey is a monument to perseverance, development, and the strength of self-expression. He shares our principles of authenticity, inventiveness, and the desire to push limits, which makes him the ideal match for Dwyane Wade. I'm glad he took this action, and with Kicks Crew at our side, we're not just introducing a product, we're also spreading a strong message that will encourage athletes and fans to forge their own paths with a brand that gives them confidence, Dwyane Wade added. For $110, the Dwyane Wade DLO1 canvas will be available exclusively through Kicks Crew on May 17.